In all of my cosplay experience and life in general, I have not once bought anything off of eBay, mostly because I was scared to. I don't know why. I maybe thought like they didn't take PayPal or something, which I know isn't true. But what inspired me to finally give it a try was my boyfriend. He buys things off of eBay, whether that's cosplay, Monster X things for me, or anything else. As you see, I'm in my Asuna wig and makeup. If you haven't seen the cosplay tutorial for that, I will leave a link for it in the description box. I will be honest with you guys, this wig is different than the wig that I featured in the tutorial, and I did style the bangs a little bit differently, but everything else plus the cosplay, of course, not this one but the one in the video, is the same. I finally get to wear her again, and this time we are taking her to Colossal Con East. I'm really excited. I've only been to the Colossal Con in Sandusky, Ohio, which is the original Colossal Con many moons ago. So if you are going to CCE, let me know down in the comments, and follow me on Instagram. That's where I will be updating y'all throughout the weekend. But anyway, seeing as though I wanted to bring Asuna back and of course have a new cosplay slash bikini cosplay for the convention, I decided this was a perfect opportunity to give Late eBay a go. So I ordered the Sword Art Online ALO Asuna Yuki cosplay costume bikini for $49. Now, when I got this cosplay, I had forgotten how much I paid for it, and then when I looked back and realized how much, I was kind of like, did I really pay like 50 bucks on eBay for a costume? If you guys have seen my how to successfully purchase cosplay from AliExpress video, link in the description box, even though it's old and cringy, there are ways to like better your chances of getting what you ordered. You know what I'm saying? Because you really never know. And the frustrating thing about eBay is that no one ever leaves reviews. It's like you have all these listings, but no feedback. I ordered it on July 1st, and then I got it in the mail by August 8th. So definitely took a while, about a month or so, which is pretty typical when you're dealing with a seller from China. In the description, it says it's new without tags. One sold, literally me, from China. It's cosplay. The style is considered to be a dress, which I guess is because of the skirt component. It is multicolored and a cotton blend. Full disclosure, I already tried the cosplay on once before, mostly because I'm working on another cosplay for Colossal Con East, Shimakaze from Kantai Collection, which I'm super excited about that. I was sort of having some issues along the way. Despite saving it as an unboxing for this video, I was really fearful and paranoid that something would be wrong with this, so I had to try it on, and yeah, this is my very first cosplay purchased from eBay. Let's see how it turned out. You guys, this thing is sexy as I really like this a lot. And for $50, I'm pretty pleased. Though I am not a fabric expert, I wouldn't consider this to be a cotton blend. This is definitely a swimsuit material, which I'm happy about. For the most part, I think it's made really well. There are like tiny little stubby threads, you know what I mean? As opposed to like the long threads that kind of straddle here and there. Oh yeah, and under item description it says understanding shooting photo. So I guess that means that whatever you see in the photos is what you're gonna get. With that being said, I think so far and for the most part, like 90%, that would be true. However, the cosplay also came with these things, and I just want to know, like, what are these? Like, what are these for? So I looked back on the listing, and the cosplayer has a bracelet situation on her wrist, and then around her leg she has what looks like a garter. So even in the listing and technically the product photo, it didn't say anything about a bracelet or a garter or really anything. On the one hand, I kind of feel like I should have gotten these, and that these two random straps are supposed to be a bracelet and garter, but at the same time there wasn't anything specified about either on the listing, so I don't really know what I'm going to do with these things. Either I'm just going to toss them and leave it as is, or I was thinking about possibly tying them around my arm like this, you know, have like a bicep moment, you know what I mean? So when I wear this cosplay to ColossalCon East, I will probably take photos with and without the skirt. So as you can see, the bikini bottoms are these side tie situations. This tie up here is just for show. If I undo it, it doesn't really do anything. It's like sewn onto the front portion. The top is a halter style bikini, so it ties up around the neck and around the back. The top also comes with padding, and in terms of the coverage on the back side, it's a little cheeky. You know what I'm saying? Overall, I'm very, very happy with this cosplay. Just with buying cosplay in general, you really don't know what you're gonna get and what kind of experience you'll have no matter where you shop. I think I got lucky. I love the way it fits. I love the way it looks. It's really comfortable and it makes me so excited for ColossalCon East. Please let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. What do you think of this cosplay? Have you purchased from eBay before? What was your experience like? Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel, Tara for Your Wellness, for more videos like this and other fun things. And until next time, please take care and stay well.